Okay, to remove the radio from this Toyota Corolla, I'm going to remove these silver side trims. Pull those out. Do the same for the other side. Try and get in there. Sorry about the camera work, 'cause I'm not really watching the camera at the moment. Try and get under there. Just be very careful. You don't want to break these. This one's not coming out. You don't want to try too hard because it will snap. I just pulled that one straight towards me and that came out. What's coming out now? Oh, a whole lot. Good. So that can stay there by the look of it. That's fine. Sorry. Terrible camera work. Terrible. Anyway, that comes out. Undo those 10mm bolts. There's two either side. Okay, now with those 10mm bolts removed, remove your radio and unplug it. This is an aftermarket radio, so it's just got aftermarket type plugs on it. Hope this helped you.